You can draw this cute kawaii egg. It's super easy and fun. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do this step by step. So grab your iPad or sketchbook. We are starting. For this tutorial, I'm using Canva size 2048 pixel by 2048 pixel. You can always grab your color palette and my giveaway brush for free. I'll include the link in the description below. I'll start first by sketching the egg, and for this I'm using my 𝚁𝚊𝚌𝚑𝚎 brush and the dark red color for sketching. I start by drawing a random circle just like this, and as you see I have the reference also. I'm trying to do it as it is in the photo. Now I'll draw another circle inside this big circle, and I'll not do it very perfect. I will just try to keep it random circle. Here I'll add two cute ears, and for this I'm drawing a third line. And as usual, I like to use the editing tool to adjust my lines and make them perfect. Now I'll use the selection tool just to adjust this ear and make it as the other one. And here I'll try to make the lines thicker just to give the egg depth. Now I will remove those lines, and after this I will add two cute eyes and a tiny smile between them just to give the face a cute look. And I will draw two circles for the cheeks. Now my sketch is ready for the next step, which is coloring. I'll create a new layer underneath the sketch layer, and I will choose the light yellow, and I'm still using my 𝚁𝚊𝚌𝚑𝚎 brush to color the egg. I'll start first by coloring the big circle, and as you see I'm just creating a closed line to drag and drop the color inside it. It's the best way to color quickly. I'll create a new layer above this layer, and I will choose the darker yellow to color the face, and I will use the same technique to color it by creating a closed line and then drag and drop the color inside it. Once I'm done, I move to the next step, which is adding texture. For this step, I'll create a new layer above all those layers, set it to multiply mode, and I'll use my 𝚁𝚊𝚌𝚑𝚎 brush to add texture. I'll keep using the same colors. As you see, I just picked up this white yellow to add texture to this circle, and I will try to press gently on the screen to have a light shade for this step. And as you see, I will increase the brush opacity to make it darker, to make the shadow darker around this circle, and I will keep doing this until I'm happy with the result. Now I will use the dark yellow to add extra texture to the egg, and I'm still using the sleek brush. As you see, I'm trying to add the shadows on the edges just to give the egg depth. Now I'll use my grainy texture brush to add extra texture to the egg, and I'm still using this dark yellow. As I said before, I will press gently on the screen just to keep the shadows lighter and look natural. I'll add texture as well to the face using the same color and the same brush. Now I'll add this red color to the cheeks using the grainy texture brush. After I finish, I lower the layers opacity just to give the texture a natural look, and I'll move to the next step, which is adding highlights. For this step, I'll create a new layer and set it to screen mode. I will use the sleek brush and the pure white to add highlights, and I will start adding those white lines around the eggs. And as usual, after I finish, I lower the layers opacity. Now I'll create a new layer, set it to add mode, and I will use the lighter yellow to add extra highlights to the egg. And I'm still using the sleek ink brush for this step. Once I'm done, I move to the next step, which is adding details. On a new layer, I will use the sleek ink brush to add extra details. As you see, I'm using the same color I used before to sketch this drawing. And I will add a few lines around the face. You can add circles, hearts, and here I'll add two small white dots for the eyes to make them look brighter. On a new layer above all layers, I set it to multiply mode, and I'm using the sleek ink brush to add extra shadows to the egg. Here I will duplicate this layer and I will lower the opacity of both of them just to make the shadow looks natural. I created a new layer, also set it to screen mode, and I use the lighter yellow to add extra highlights. Here I'm trying to figure out which is the perfect move for this step, and I will use the soft light mode to highlight the egg. I will lower the layers opacity, and then I will merge them into one layer just like this, and I will try to adjust the highlights using the selection tool. Once I'm done, I move to the last step, which is adding final adjustments. For this step, I copied my illustration by tapping with 4 fingers on the screen, select copy all, then I repeat the same process and tap on paste to have my illustration on a separate layer. And as you see, I'm using the adjustments tool to correct the colors, highlights, and shadows. After I finish, I add the background, which is my paper touch canvas. You can find it on my shop if you like it. And here's my drawing is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching, guys. If you draw this, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your version. Come join my Discord to discuss everything about art. See you in the next video. Bye bye.